2014 Lexus ES350 luxury sedan. Pearl, nice beautiful pearl white paint. HID lights, aluminum alloy wheels with new set of necks and tires, tinted windows, trunk spoiler, dual chrome tip exhaust. Nice tan leather interior, retractable rear shade, carpeted floor mats and wood grain trim throughout. Power windows, locks and mirrors, memory driver seat, blind spot monitor, heated and cooled front row seats, premium sound system with CD player, navigation, backup camera, free 90-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio, hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls, auto headlights with fog lights, just under 170,000 miles. And it's even got sunroof. Y'all come out and see us at Equalizer.